Does your hip click when you raise it up? Or have you been told you have snapping hip syndrome? I bet for some of you, your hip also pinches in the front when you try and bring your knee to your chest. Even though these aren't necessarily bad things, it does bother people when their body makes clunking noises when they're trying to move. Here's 2 things you can try at home to try and get rid of it. You're gonna go opposite hand to opposite knee, and then try and smell the back of your hand. If you wanna make it even harder, try and push your hand against your knee. You should feel your core muscles working a lot. Make sure you find an angle where you don't feel a hip pinch in the front. Hold that for 3 times 20 seconds each side, and by the end of it, your core should be pretty tired. The second exercise is purely a hip flexor exercise. We're gonna lay flat on your back and then lift your leg straight up in the air. Right before you feel a stretch, I want you to take your hand, and you may need to crunch up a little bit, that's okay. Push into that leg without letting the leg move. This is a resisted hip flexor exercise. Hold that for 10 seconds, pause for about 5, and then do that 2 more times on each side. Go ahead and retest and see if that hip click is still there.